To create a new polygon shapefile in ArcGIS Pro, you need to go under the View tab Catalog pane, which will bring this up here. From there, go to Folders, right-click on Folders, Add Folder Connection. Navigate to the folder you want. I want C drive, GISNT, GIS 300 datasets. OK. And now, once that loads, I will have a folder connection to my GIS 300 datasets. Now that I have this folder connection, I can open that up, go to whatever folder I want, right-click on the folder where I want the dataset, and say New Shapefile. Now it needs a name, a geometry type, and a coordinate system. I'm going to call this Discard. I want it to be a polygon. I can also use this drop-down to set point, multi-point, polyline, or multi-patch. And then I'm going to set the coordinate system. Drop down here, I can use the current map, or one of these other examples. Or I can click on this globe to set the coordinate system, say projected coordinate systems, UTM, NAD83, zone 19 north. And now run. Creating feature class and add it here. If you have a file geodatabase that you're working out of, which is something that ArcGIS Pro automatically creates for each new project, you can right-click and New Feature Class. It wants a name. I'm going to call this Discard as well. Polygon, several other options. Keep those defaults. Next, have an opportunity to create new fields. Let's add one, and let's call this area feet. And I can change the type by clicking here onto double, which is a real number. I can use other formats as well, short and long integers with no decimal places. But let's go for double. All right, next. In the same way, I can search for a coordinate system or select one from one of the layers. Next, 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 finish. Notice that when I created the new shapefile, it automatically loaded in here. This one has been created, but didn't automatically load in. Now, to create features in either one of these, we go from the View tab over to Edit, and then go ahead and Create Features, which opens up this tab. I can click on any one of these, select what I want. I want a polygon, so I'm going to click once to start, once to make a vertex, double-click to finish. If I don't like that, I can Control Z. So let's go ahead and create a polygon, double-click, and now I can right-click on Discard, open the attribute table, and see that I have this area in feet. Right-click, Calculate Geometry. It's asking me for some information here, so I have the target field, I have the property area, and let's see what other options I have here. So I could do multiple things at once, but I only want that one right now. So let's go ahead with the area unit in square feet, United States, using the coordinate system of the map, or this one here, which is NAD83 UTM zone 19 north. Run. Now area in feet, gonna have to open that up, is quite a lot because of course that's a huge area covering what would be multiple townships. I do have a warning here. If I hover over it, it shows me the following datasets contain edits. Discard. That's fine. So that is how you create a new shapefile or a new geodatabase feature class and edit it. The process is the same for points, lines, and polygons. You just have to select which geometry type you want at the time of creation.